Introducing Stripe Treasury.
Cmd+AI.
Hold funds in multiple currencies and stablecoins. Instantly transfer money to US businesses. Yes, US only businesses on Stripe for free. Pay anyone in 160 countries just with an email, like Wise and other tools similar to that. Earn credits on balances to apply towards Stripe fees. That's pretty good, because you have to pay what 2.9% on Stripe fees or something
plus,
like this.
Plus,
yeah, plus like 30 cents or something. So that's good. Spend funds with a Stripe card, get 2% cash back, view balance in the mobile app, and use Treasury from any AI app with the Stripe MCP.
That's cool.
Till I go to the website and you log in and it says not available in your country because you live in Europe. But basically the idea is, from what I understand, you make money with Stripe, right? You hold the money in Stripe instead of letting it to be transferred to your bank account, and you just use Stripe to spend it, to send it to people, to pay things with it. And that's quite interesting. I would totally do this once they make it available. I would totally do this because the fees are quite high, and then why should I send it to my bank account? And if I earn in dollars and I send it to my bank, they're gonna take a big chunk. So I'm mad that it's not available in Germany.
But I mean, this is not too dissimilar to Wise, TransferWise, which we do have,
Yeah, and I do use TransferWise for most of my stuff nowadays. Yeah.
I love this MCP though. I love this API kit. You could be like, send Kabaza money, and it will just do it through the MCP.
That's really nice because I have an assistant and she handles the finance stuff as well. But
one step closer to firing her.
I asked her. No.
Yeah, no, this is an interesting step because Revolut, which is our European brethren, they're opening up a physical bank in Barcelona. So it's interesting how Revolut were digital, now they're going physical. Well, Stripe is digital as well, and also going kind of physical.
Yeah, and I'm a bit shocked that it's happening now. Why not earlier?
Yeah, what?
Like Stripe is handling a good chunk of the entire like Earth GDP. It's a big chunk for being just a single company. Why didn't they do this before?
Well, I suppose they focused on businesses, and this is still pretty business, but it's more, they enabled SaaS. SaaS was there.
Okay. So mitigate risk with added security through FDIC insurance eligibility that covers funds up to, not exactly, but up to 250K. So this is like what banks do. I would be interested to see like what it does to Master and Visa, if it's going to affect them.
Especially businesses that run off of Stripe. Do you know what I mean? Like their whole, and which is a lot of them now, they all, like most SaaS services run off Stripe. Now they can be like, well, now we can just leave all our money in Stripe and make business purchases through Stripe. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.